Welcome back. If you remember, 3 years ago, Dave and I bought this house and we renovated the whole thing, kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, but we didn't touch, there's this room above our garage, and also our garage bays are so small that they don't actually fit cars. So we have a new renovation that we're working on, and we are turning half of the garage into a gym and the other half into a mudroom. The upstairs is going to be a primary suite with a bathroom, bedroom, and closets, and I'm excited to take you through. All right, so this is the room that's above our garage, and this is behind the scenes of, this is actually where we lived 3 years ago. This is where we were sleeping when we were renovating the rest of our house. So this is the main bathroom. As you can see, it's pretty outdated. There's like brown fiberglass sinks and bathtub. And so it's gonna be so great to get to use this space. It's really just such a great space with great light, and I can't wait for this to be our primary bedroom. This half is going to be the mudroom. This half is going to be a gym with a bathroom. And then upstairs, we're lifting the roof so that we can fit more space. And there's Dave.
What's up, guys? So one of the other projects kind of pre-construction is taking apart our balcony. So we've got cable railing and got to take it off because we have to adjust the joists on the balcony frame to account for the new thickness of the house, because we're going to do a continuous exterior insulation wrap. That's about 3.5 inches plus furring strips plus siding. So we're actually going to probably add close to 4 inches to the thickness of the home. So which means these I can cut down and repurpose, which is great. And then what I'm doing is I'm just putting some scotch tape or painter's tape around the end here so that they don't untwine, and then it's harder to deal with later. So some of these things I'm just organizing and prepping so that when the demolition crew comes on Wednesday, I've taken care of all the important things that we want to protect, salvage, or make our lives easier for the construction. I'm here doing demolition and prep work. The electricians are here, and we're disconnecting all the baseboards, outlets, and anything involving the construction area. So this is space, and we're basically just trying to trace back what wires go where, setting up temp power for construction, and our washer and dryer. So a few components to it, and this is all in preparation of the demolition crew coming helping take down the structure, and then for the framing team to have kind of a clear slate to work.
Let's see the shirt.
Today's the day.
So this is the demoed space,
And we just cleared out the space, and this is the wall of our main home, and then we're gonna pop through over here to make an entrance.
So that's crazy. This is gonna be our bedroom, and then over here is going to be where our bathroom is. I think I'm standing in my closet right now, and I've never had a walk-in closet before, and so this feels like a very special treat for myself. This was our laundry room, and we are getting rid of these stairs and turning this into a pantry. So we'll have some countertops, some shelving, storage for appliances and things. And then this goes to our kitchen.
So doing home renovations, especially in addition to your existing home, is quite intrusive. So one of the things we're trying to do is just make it a little bit more convenient for us and less invasive. So behind me is our kitchen, and on the other side of that wall is where I relocated the washer and dryer, which used to be here. And what I'm gonna do is basically seal this door, run the exhaust and the water supply from this room, and then have the electrician move the power supply for the dryer closer. I think it can only be 5 feet. So just one of the things we have to do here. And also the backwash for our water softener system here. This is our backwash. They have to be either insulated or in a temperature controlled environment. So what I'll probably end up doing is building a temporary wall that goes here, insulate it, protect it from construction. That way all of our water supply doesn't freeze, because we're about to enter late fall, winter. So, all right, here's a little update. Just have to get below this so that we can attach a new 3-inch waistline. So exciting stuff. I gotta keep going.
All right, quick update. So
The in-ground plumbing has been dug out, and this is the main waistline from the rest of the house, and this was the waistline from the old bathroom upstairs, and there it is. So I've cut out all the way over to where the new bathroom is going to be. So I'll wait for the plumber to come do this, but we're also raising the floor in the garage, so we'll have to kind of work around this in the interim until I can get the plumber over here to take care of it. This is all my soil from here that I'll use as backfill, and these demo bags are really great. They're super durable, so I'll just keep this here, use that backfill once the job's complete. And this is the concrete. It's all organized because you have to separate your concrete from regular trash. And this is all the other stuff that's come out. A little bit of a mess, but that's how it goes. Yeah, we're ready to rock.
Sometimes you just gotta put on some AC/DC and just get through it.
Oh, let's go.
Trying to keep things on schedule, baby. Let's go.
Starting the reno here. Look at this. Crazy. To the studs. And, look at this. Crazy. Very crazy. Round 2.